has interacted in like a very like local language or daily user language itself. And then like so the experience was wow, because like so the feedback primarily came in saying, okay, I was able to have a similar experience seamlessly end-to-end till payments, utilizing again QR code, which the user is very habitual with. We even changed the funnel steps, right? Typically you would ask, and travel is very like so form filling kind of thing, right? So you require a good amount of information before a ticket is booked, or you need traveler details, age, this, all those kind of nuances, right? So how seamlessly we can just understand the user query and fulfill certain things rather than again asking the user to enter a form or input back to those kind of things. So, and that was the premise, right? So when we entered into this collaboration with Microsoft and have been working, and currently with Hindi and English we are seeing good traction, and we hope to like add more languages sooner on the platform itself. And the other part primarily, right, so which we saw in Amedi's presentation as well, which is, right, so you have opportunity starting from dream to planning phase, right, so to book and then post book, right, so AI interface can help answer many information through the bot itself, and that is what we are trying to achieve working on this. Yeah.
Apparently, 1/3 of travelers now say they would want to use ChatGPT to plan the itinerary or to handle their travel queries before they plan their travel. So that's very interesting that you're stepping in there. Now coming to Amadeus, we saw all the various solutions that they had, but we have Jyoti who works at the forefront of all this innovation. So Jyoti, tell us, how exactly are developers being assisted with AI tools?
So from developer standpoint, developer productivity is assisted quite a lot through, we also are a partner with Microsoft, and Copilot is what we use. So a lot of boilerplate templates can easily be done. Another piece that we are working on, let's say if a travel agent wants a new website, airline wants a new website, it can be created at a touch of a button, including language choices. So there are all these tools now at the disposal of the developers to build such solutions. The other piece to be kept in mind is overuse of technology should also be prevented. We keep talking about generative AI, ChatGPT, etc. Now, if a Google search costs you 1 rupee, let's say, a similar search or a chat that you have with the ChatGPT costs you almost 3,000 times of that. Now, so it's such prevalent now that everyone talks about it, saying let's do it, but there is a huge cost involved. So the right use of technology also has to be quite looked at, because it's not sustainable that you put this on everything that you do. So that's something as well that we look at from a developer standpoint, that are you using technology for solving the right problems. It's not to be used for everything. I mean, it's quite fancy. It's one of the things that had so much of adoption. It had like 1 million or 10 million users in a day. But then there is a huge cost involved. So using technology for right things is something that we focus on quite a lot.
Strategic adoption of AI, that is so important, and perhaps we'll have some time to discuss that as well. Pankaj, tell us